This is a high definition 2x magnification of transplanted hairs. You can see that they're all natural. People always ask, how natural is a transplant? I mean, literally this close to the hairline, you can't tell what's transplant, what is not. So this is so important to see that the line is not a straight line. It is irregularly irregular. There are guard hairs, these sentinel hairs that are fine out here. We've chosen the finest hairs to come out here to make it look natural. I really labor to make sure that the line is not straight so that it's not visible to the naked eye from what a transplanted hairline is compared to an untransplanted one. We do a good portion of both FUE and FUT. FUT is the abbreviation for a strip procedure, stands for follicular unit transplant. But I defy you to find this incision. It is not visible. Even under high definition 2x magnification, a few inches away from the hair, it is literally completely invisible. You do not see it. Can I promise you this? No. But I can tell you that the worst I've seen is maybe a couple millimeter stretch back, and you have to be studying for it, looking for it. But this is just going progressively across the back of the head. You just simply cannot see the incision. So a lot of the marketing hype of FUE is that there's going to be some bad scar there. But here's, you can see a barely hint right there, that light color change, and that is basically it.